How does Redux handle immutability and why it is important? In Redux, immutability means that when the state changes, it doesn't modify the existing state directly. Instead, Redux creates a new copy of the state with the updated data, and it is handled by reducer, which is always return a new object when something changes. Immutability is very much important because of predictability, timetable debugging, and pure function. So what is predictability? Predictability means since the old state is never been changed, you can easily track what happened before. And the time traveling debugging means because of predictability, Redux can travel in previous states. It makes easier to debug or any undo actions. And the pure functions. Redux reducer follow the principle of pure function, which means they don't modify their original data. It keeps the state predictable and organized. So Redux ensures immutability by creating a new copy of the state with each changes, which helps keep your app more predictable, easier to debug, and easier to manage.